Did you know? Farmers in Europe are facing one of the toughest battles against climate change. From Spain to Greece, unusual weather patterns are reshaping agriculture. But this is not just Europe's story. It's a warning for the whole world, including Pakistan. In southern Europe, countries like Spain and Italy are suffering from extreme heat waves, which are drying up water supplies and damaging olive and wheat crops. In Greece, wildfires and droughts are destroying fertile land, leaving farmers helpless. Meanwhile, in Central and Northern Europe, heavy rainfall and floods are ruining harvests in countries like Germany and Poland. Traditional farming methods that worked for decades are now failing because the climate has changed faster than expected. To survive, farmers across Europe are turning towards climate-smart agriculture. This includes using drought-resistant seeds that need less water, drip irrigation systems to save every drop, smart greenhouses that control temperature, and even AI-powered systems that help predict weather and guide farmers on when to plant or harvest. The European Union is investing billions into sustainable agriculture, renewable energy for farms, and digital tools to reduce risks. This transformation is not optional anymore. It's the only way forward. Now let's connect this to Pakistan. Our farmers are also experiencing climate shocks, unpredictable rains destroying wheat and cotton, floods damaging rice crops, and rising temperatures reducing sugarcane and mango yield. If we don't prepare today, the crisis in Europe will repeat here on an even bigger scale. Pakistan must adopt modern practices like precision farming, smart irrigation, and climate-resilient crop varieties. At the same time, governments and companies must support farmers with training and technology. Climate change is real, and farmers are on the front lines. Europe is already adapting with climate-smart agriculture, and Pakistan must do the same. Because when farmers survive, nations survive. Follow EcoGrow Hub for more eco facts, solutions, and innovations that can protect our future.